Meron tayong question sa ating YouTube account naman, no? So, ang question niya is, Tito, is it okay by law to have partners after being legally separated from your first marriage? So, very clear naman yung question. Okay, so the answer is no. No. Both the husband and the wife cannot have new partners even if they were legally separated, because sabi natin sa ating last video, no, sa ating definition, the spouse's marriage bond or the marriage tie remains intact, no? It means the husband and the wife, even if they are legally separated, they cannot remarry. Meaning they cannot have new partners. Attorney, hindi naman sila magpapakasal ulit eh. Partner lang naman. So generally, hindi sila magpapakasal. No, meaning they just have a new partner. So is it okay? No, the law still prohibits such because under the revised penal code, there is a prohibition on this. If the wife has sexual intercourse with the man other than his husband, that is prohibited because under the law, that is a crime called adultery. Okay? For a man naman, there is a crime called concubinage. Although the circumstances of adultery and concubinage is different, it's still the same na they cannot have partners even if they choose not to remarry. The only instances that they can have new partners or that they can remarry is, number one, of course, yung sabi ko sa last video, annulment. If both spouses nullify their marriage or have it declared void ab initio. Okay? The second is, if they are able to acquire foreign divorce under Article 26 of the Family Code. No? Those are the two instances that the spouses can remarry. Attorney, follow-up question. What if the spouses executed an agreement that they agreed to live separately, na wala ng pakialamanan, that they can have new partners? Does that allow both spouses to remarry or to have new partners? The answer is still no. No, kasi nga sabi ng law, bawal nga na mag-remarry, no? Crime daw yan. Kapag ikaw ay babae, bawal kang makipagtalik sa lalaki na hindi mo asawa. Pag ikaw naman ay lalaki, bawal kang makipagtalik sa babae na hindi mo asawa under scandalous circumstances, or bawal kang makipag-cohabit sa babae na hindi mo asawa. So, you cannot have an agreement that is contrary to law. Yan ang isa sa basic foundation ng contracts. The agreement must not be contrary to law. So, even if both parties executed in good faith, they appeared before a notary public, that agreement is a mere scrap of paper. No, it has no value. Let's say, for example, ang nandun lang is custody ng bata, support, and then the provision na pwede kayong makipag-partner ng bago, walang pakialamanan, no? The only provisions that will stand in that agreement is the agreement pertaining to the custody, the agreement pertaining to the support. No? Pero, the agreement pertaining to having new partners or to committing a crime, no, is void. Okay, so I hope that answers your question. Thank you for asking. Bye-bye.